Techniques for learning modern skills, from start to advance. Welcome to our YouTube video on learning modern skills, from start to advance. Today, we'll guide you through a structured approach to mastering modern skills, highlighting the importance of a syllabus, step-by-step progression, and adaptable learning patterns. 1. Defining your objective. Before diving into the learning process, you need to know exactly what you want to achieve. Clearly define your objectives and your motivation for acquiring the modern skill. This clarity will be your guiding star throughout the journey. Step 2. Creating a syllabus. Your syllabus is your roadmap. It should have distinct stages, like a beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level, with each level containing specific topics, resources, and milestones. Step 3. Step-by-step progression. Now, let's break down the learning process into manageable steps. 1. Research and familiarization. Start by researching your skill and gathering resources. 2. Basic understanding. Begin with beginner-level materials to grasp the basics. 3. Hands-on practice. Apply what you've learned through exercises and small projects. 4. Intermediate level. Dive deeper, explore advanced concepts and practical applications. 5. Real-world experience. Gain experience through internships, freelance work, or personal projects. 6. Mentorship and collaboration. Seek guidance from mentors and collaborate with experts. 7. Continuous learning. Stay up to date by attending conferences and webinars. These steps ensure a gradual increase in complexity as you build your skills. Step 4. Adaptable patterns. Learning modern skills often involves adapting to new information and changing circumstances. Iterative learning. Regularly revisit earlier concepts to reinforce your knowledge. Learning communities. Join online communities related to your skill for networking. Problem-solving approach. Emphasize problem-solving to apply your knowledge effectively. Feedback and self-assessment. Seek feedback to improve and self-assess your progress. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the world of modern skills. Remember, it's a journey, and with dedication and structured learning, you'll master your chosen skill, from start to advance. Thank you for joining us on this journey of learning modern skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Happy learning!